Morning, everybody. In this class, we have been got related to the salesman method techniques. Right. As far as it has been considered in the today's class, we'll be having a detailed look towards the techniques in that particular methodology and what are the different types of techniques exist. Yeah, going on to the today's techniques. So, what are the different types of techniques existing in the case of this traveling kind of salesman methodology of problems? In the SBS class, we have been gone with respect to a detailed discussion that the methodologies has been starting only on this heuristic method, and that heuristic methods will be existing with different kinds, and what are the different kinds of optimization techniques existing regarding the heuristic strategies. In the today's class, we will be dealing with respect to the genetic algorithms which will be working on demand oriented, basically related to the computational demanding problems. In this, there are some of the sub methodologies existing. First one is maps and tools. As per the computer guidance or satellite guidance, the route maps, as in the practical situations, we are utilizing that Google Maps. In the same way, as per the computer guidance system, we'll be utilizing these maps, and based upon that maps, the tourism is being taking place. That is maps and tours related. The second one, it is an exhaustive search. Third one, it is an random search. Next, the point mutations, genetic algorithms, and crossover methods. So these are the sublinkages or sub-methodologies existing in the case of this genetic algorithm. We'll be looking after these in detail one by one. As far as the bike tour has been considered, in the case of this maps and the tour system, as the bike tour has been considered, suppose if you've been taken a ride, a bicycle around the island, or else we'll be taking a simple example of the place that you'll be starting at Chebrolu, and you'll start straightforwardly at the college, and the main goal is to visit Guntur, and from Guntur to this Mangalagiri highway and to the Vijayawada, and next from Vijayawada that KLU route to the Tenali, and Tenali to back again to the Narakodu route, and have to reach again to the stationary point, that is source point, again our college, as like of our industrial tour has been considered. So what is the best iterative that is necessary here? How can the minimization or the route map will be concised with respect to the time basis and have to cover the overall places that you have to be visited within shortest distance. So shortest distance here indicates that decreasing in the status of a road map. So road map in the sense that is decreasing in the case of kilometers of range. So the main conspiracy existing over here it is how to minimize the number of kilometers and how to consider a sure strategy that almost all the places need to be visited by that particular person. So indeed to visit, for example, we'll be considering this only five different places. If you have been considered these five different places, initially how to figure out the overall points, five different points that are being existing for visiting by that particular bicycle. So, for example, it's in point number one, two, three, four, and five, and reaching again back to the source point. And consider the source point is nothing but our college, right? So, upon covering entirely these five different steps or five different points of visit, would like to create or generate a route map. Mostly, it's named as a loop, and any of the path that crosses over itself leads to a longer path generating in the traveling point by utilizing the concerned vehicle that you have been considered. Here we have been considered that characterizations. And if there is any long path taking than the existing path, then we will be calling it as a big circle. Because than the necessary or limited kilometers of range, much more higher distance is being considered. So what will be the situation that is being taking place in case of increasing the number of cities or number of places? So considering here number of cities within the Guntur district need to be visualized. Definitely it will be becoming a big task indeed to complete the overall cities of a visit. So upon addition or as we add the cities to the tour, it is very much hard to find out the optimal tour within the geographical area that we need to be figured out or we need to be visualized. Here we'll be following a simple strategy, that is finding the very much closest cities as per the previous class we have been seen, that doesn't suit always to generate a shortest generating path for visiting all the cities. Taking an example of 25 cities that we are having to be visualized. After visiting that four cities, where would you go next? That's plays a major role. So nearestly, in between to the starting point, there will be having four different cities. Okay, nearest distance you will be approaching. Then later on, what is the situation here? This is, for example, from one city to another city, you will be having 2 to 3 kilometers of the range, and from second point to the third point we'll be having another 2 more kilometers, and here 1.5 kilometers naturally. And from the fourth point onwards, if there is any farther distance that is being taking place, so what are the circumstances that need to be followed? This plays a major important role. So for that, in such cases, what are the steps need to be followed? So definitely there is a hint that going to this city does not lead to the shortest tour. So hence we cannot conclude or we cannot have a primitive most step or we cannot conclude to a statistical concept that it is not very much less indeed to cover the overall cities. And even we can come to a common conclusion that it is not a shortest tour. So for that, what are the necessary steps need to be taken? It will be leading in the case of this exhaust to search. Here, the one step is to find the optimal tour that is considered at all possible paths. We need to indicate the almost all the possible ways initially, and the lab manual for this chapter includes in the class that is named map that represents cities and distances between them need to be find out. You need to analyze a map, route map, or else the city map, and what are the different types of or a district map will be taken, and what are the different cities need to be visualized. We will be having a map there with respect to an distance calculation and the base of this time calculations. We'll be considering for example, if M is the map object or that particular district map, this is called a Ruby statement. As per the Ruby statement, we'll consider all the possible routes and save the one with the shortest distance. So optimal here specifies to a shortest path that is necessary indeed to consider the overall cities approaching or visiting. Hence, it is definitely greater than m of each tool. It substitutes to the t and the best of the t and relates to the cost effective factor. Naturally, this method is named of each underscore tour adjust and method of or iterative method that will be having a following parameters that it iterates overall possible tours even though we don't have an actual list of the tours. This iteration is a type of the search because we'll be finding nominally different kinds of tours in the case of this route map, not only as per the sequence of each and every city or a point will be getting generated, and computer scientists can call it as it's an exhaust to search since all the combinations are tried out. So almost all the experimental processes will be considered, and in that the most iterative process will be leads to the exhaustive search by the computer experts, it will be calling as, so that it is named as this exhaustive search method. Moving on to the, if only one tour consists of n number of cities of visit, that's a one kind of problem till now we have been discussed, as we have been considered the too many number of tours, and if that tour, each and every tour consists of an n number of cities visit. All right. So in the previous strategy, till the previous strategy, we have been discussed that we have planned a tour, and that tour will be consisting of five cities majorly. And if the cities has been increased, what are the different criteria need to be followed indeed to satisfy the shortest route map or indeed to find out the optimum case of solution. But in the case of this n number of tours, so for each and every tour we are having minimum five cities of visit and the maximum of n number of cities. But if the tours has been increased, each and every tour will be having the n number of cities, and how to compensate or how to map the overall strategies need to be analyzed. So for that case, these too many tools has been came into the force. So here we'll be looking after this exhaustive search strategy only. Application of this exhaustive search strategy as previously have been discussed. That is having the possible tours of a map with n number of cities. That is n minus 1 exclamatory by 2. This is pronounced as an factorial and factorial. N minus 1 factorial by 2. Hence, if you have been considered n number of tours, hence this production or the entire the route maps, you have been considered this n minus 1, then n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4, so on into 2 into 1. Sorry, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is the plays a major important role here. If the tools has been increased, hence when the tools grows increasing very much quickly upon addition within the cities as per the map that we have been visualized. Considering there is a 12 number of tours with the 5 cities and 60 number of tours with the 6 cities, 360 tours by touching this 7 number of cities in the each and every tour, and likewise it is being increasing. All right. So how do we have to be mapped up among with respect to this 25 or 35, that commonly there will not be any distance between one city to the another city, and we can't define even in the actual basis that from one city to another city there will be definitely 3 kilometers of distance, 5 kilometers of distance. Likewise, we could not able to specify the exact distance between one city to the another city. And for that particular considerations, what are the applications that are being existing in the case of these too many of the tools, and even the experimental characterizations as we have discussed previously, that in the case of this exhaustive search strategy. So for that, in the real-time applications, we are having one concept or one planning that is incorporated with respect to an electrical signal. That is nothing but we are utilizing presently in our mobiles also. Nothing but the satellite connections which are connected with respect to the computer guidance. Nothing but our Google Maps. And so how this Google Maps has been developed, we'll be having a look. So planning with respect to a bike point, nothing but generally we able to see these delivery persons in the most of the cities. We are having these Zomato, Swiggy, etc. And these members will be utilizing the two wheelers for delivering the food packets. And in the case of this transportation related, the real time basis, transportation will be of many cases that if there is any malfunctioning of air conditioning in our domestical purpose, we will be calling that repair person, maintenance person. So hence, based upon the service calls, he that salesperson may be working in that particular company and will be changing from that company to the another company if the salary has been increased. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మా ఇంట్లో ఉన్నదేమో ఒక ఎల్జీ ఏసీ రెఫ్రిజిరేటర్ అని అనుకున్నాను, అది కొంచెం పాడైపోయింది. సో అతను ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకుముందు వచ్చిన క్యాండిడేట్ ఒక అతను ఉన్నాడు, సర్వీస్ పర్సన్ ఎల్జీ కంపెనీలో పనిచేస్తున్నాడు. అండ్ ప్రస్తుతం వచ్చేసరికి మళ్ళీ నేను సర్వీస్ కాల్ కనుక నేను వాళ్ళకి చేస్తే ఆ పర్సన్ కాకుండా ఇంకో పర్సన్ వస్తాడు, బికాస్ ఈ మైట్ బి మూవింగ్ ఆన్ టు అనదర్ కంపెనీ అండ్ he could not able to, due to the changing of that particular person, one could not able to know where the actual house is actually the house is located. But మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం కనుక వస్తే వేరే పర్సన్ వస్తున్నాడు. So in that such conditions also, this route maps plays a major role indeed to find the destination point very much easily. And even this delivery contents, delivering of different food items, just like our online Swiggy and Zomato. Most of the cities that we are very much familiar with this. And later on, our school route maps, and not only this, generally when we are going to the any kind of tours, if doesn't know any route map, or if that particular route map has been closed, and is there any alternate route, and need to bypass the closed route, or we will be observing that diversion, work in progress, take diversion అని చెప్పేసి బోర్డ్స్ పెట్టుంటాయి. And we need to bypass that, what are the alternate routes are existing to reach our destination point. So simultaneously, this is the cases that will be frequently observing in the case of transportation phase. In the case of manufacturing, in the industrial fields, and manufacturing is nothing but the industrial fields. So manufacturing refers to the transformation of the raw material to the finished products. సో ఇప్పుడు మన మొబైల్ ఉంది, మొబైల్ వచ్చేసరికి కేస్ గార్డింగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకి ప్లాస్టిక్ మెటీరియల్తో జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. And that material will be in liquid phase in one of the time, and will be moved on to the characterized shape at an input level, and it will be molded to a designed shape as per the input criteria given in the system source. And for the fitting sections, we will be utilizing these screws for fitting the n number of components in the mobile phones, nothing but display system and the motherboard panel need to be fixed over it, and batteries, sim slots and sims need to be placed over, and our this memory card chip. Overall, one of the cases, different n number of components will be assembling in a perfect way. So for that, indeed to insert after completing the entire assembly condition, we need to tighten the screws. For that, that different diametric holes need to be incorporated. So different kinds of these drill holes need to be cascaded in the case of the n number of boards. And not only that criteria, I need to transfer the information in the case of motherboards from one board to the another board. There will be an interlinkage with respect to the uh, interconnection between one component to the another component. That is our soldering process. Meru electrical component, if you have been observed these motherboards in our TVs, televisions, etc. So backside there will be n spots, that soldering spots. So joining of those one resistor to another resistor, one resistor to transistor, transistor to the capacitor, capacitor to the microprocessor, microprocessor to the controller. So one device into another device, as we in the display that we have been specifying, motherboard. So each and every spot indicates the soldering point. So that will be calling as very large scale integrated circuit. So very large scale integrated circuit is a combination of a n number of components, electrical components, has been assembled at an chronological order, indeed to transfer the messages or information from one component to the another component, and that will be taken care of a controller, as we have been discussed this particular concept in the case of microprocessors and controllers in the previous classes. And the communication is nothing but planning to new telecommunication networks. So these are the applications that are being planned for next generational problems, or nothing but if the city will not be in the same geographical criterias nowadays అంతే కదండి ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఒకేలాగా ఉండదు. That is, if this Guntur is getting existing presently within this 50 kilometers of range, definitely it is being increasing in its or widening in its occupation of occupation with respect to the population by constructing the houses, by constructing the number of companies, by constructing the godowns, etc., and even by increasing the living environment. So for that, we leads to generate an algorithm, that is a genetic algorithm. This is the way to solve the transportation salesman problem, which is used to an evolutionary algorithm. It will explore into a maximum wide that is called as a genetic algorithm. That is nothing but need to find the required method or shortest point that will be taking place between one point or one city to the another city. What is the route map need to be analyzed? So will be in the algorithm, almost all the route maps will be feeding initially to the systemic device, and based upon that particular device will be searching our destination point, and whatever the point that we are being existing situation we are existing, that will be considering as a source point. Simultaneously మీరు గూగుల్ మ్యాప్స్ కూడా ఓపెన్ చేసేస్తే ఫ్రమ్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి టు పాయింట్ ఏంటి అని చెప్పి అడుగుతూ ఉంటుంది, సోర్స్ పాయింట్ డెస్టినేషన్ పాయింట్. మీరు ఉన్నది సోర్స్ పాయింట్లో తీసుకోమంటే ఇట్ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ సైమల్టేనియస్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బి కన్సిడరింగ్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ మీరు ఎంటర్ చేయాలనుకున్న కానీ ఎంటర్ చేయొచ్చు. సో లైక్ వైజ్ దిస్ ఇన్ ద రూబీ టెక్నిక్ each and every tool will separate a different possible paths. సో ఆ డిఫరెంట్ పాసిబుల్ పాత్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అనేది మొత్తం కూడా ముందుగానే మనం శాటిలైట్ కనెక్షన్ అయితే బట్ సర్వర్కి అనేది ఇచ్చుకుంటూ ఉండాలి, అప్లోడ్ చేయాలి. అమాంగ్ దట్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిస్టెన్సెస్ దట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ వన్ సిటీ టు అనదర్ సిటీ అనేది యూజింగ్ దిస్ రూబీ ఇండెక్స్ ఆపరేషనల్ ప్రాసెస్ it will be comparing between one city to the another city, and hence a map will be getting generated. All right, a map will be getting generated. Okay. సో అంటే ఒక సోర్స్ పొజిషన్ ఉంటుందండి, ఆ సోర్స్ పొజిషన్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఇంకొక పొజిషన్ ఇంకో పాయింట్, నథింగ్ బట్ గుంటూరు మీరు ఎంటర్ అయ్యారు బస్ స్టాప్ దగ్గర నుంచి అట్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్ టు దిస్ either టు ద అరండల్పేట్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ టు బాడీపేట్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ టు ద బృందావన్ గార్డెన్స్ మీరు వెళ్ళాలి. ఈ త్రీ సిటీస్ మీరు వెరిఫై చేయాలి, చూడాలి. ఫస్ట్ బస్ మీకు నియరెస్ట్లో ఏది ఉందనేది మీకు తెలియదు, యువర్ ద న్యూ పర్సన్ టు ద గుంటూరు. సో బస్ దిగగానే ఆటోమేటికల్లీ మొబైల్ మీరు ఆన్ చేయగానే యూ కుడ్ ఏబుల్ టు get the map in your mobile. First, okay, you can enter into the Arundel in n number of cities, n number of route maps. But ఆ n number of route maps లో కూడా వచ్చేసరికి సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద షార్టెస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్. అంటే ఒక 3 minutesలో ఇటు నుంచి ఈ మ్యాప్లో వెళ్తే 3 minutesలో వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు, ఇంకో మ్యాప్లో వెళ్తే కనుక 5 minutes పడుతుంది. అట్లా యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ఎన్ రూట్ మ్యాప్. సో దిస్ లూప్ హియర్ జనరేట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దట్ లూప్, ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ వన్ సోర్స్ పాయింట్. మీ సోర్స్ పాయింట్ ఏమవుతుంది బస్ స్టాప్ నుంచి అరండల్పేట. సో అలాగే అరండల్పేట టు బ్రాడీపేట్ విల్ బి టేకింగ్ అనదర్ వన్ సిటీ టు అనదర్ సిటీ, అండ్ దట్ విల్ బి కంపేర్స్. సో ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సిటీస్ ఉంటే ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీఆర్ కన్సిడరింగ్ 4 అయితేనేమో M3, 4. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటండి డబ్లిన్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ 1, గాల్వే అని అంటే సెకండ్ 1. సో డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉందనేది తీసుకుంటుంది. తర్వాత సెకండ్ థర్డ్కి మధ్యలో డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది కంపేర్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత థర్డ్ సిటీ నుంచి ఫోర్త్ సిటీకి మధ్యలో డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది కంపేర్ చేయాలి. అలాగే సో ఆన్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సిటీ నేమ్స్ కనుక మనం ఇస్తే అన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సిటీ నేమ్స్కి ఒక సిటీ నుంచి ఇంకొక సిటీకి వెళ్ళాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒకటి చూస్తాం, బస్ స్టాప్ నుంచి రెండలపేటకి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్, అక్కడ నుంచి బ్రాడీపేటకి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్, అండ్ బ్రాడీపేట దగ్గర నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మీ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే గార్డెన్స్కి వెళ్ళాలి. గార్డెన్స్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్. సో ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ బేసిస్ అన్నీ కూడా కంపేర్ చేసేసేసారు. అండ్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాసిబుల్ రూట్ మ్యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది ఇట్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ గూగుల్ మ్యాప్స్. సో డిస్ప్లే చేసిన తర్వాత ఏది షార్టెస్ట్ పాయింట్ అయితే టైం కూడా మీకు చూపిస్తుంది కదా, టైంకి రిలేటెడ్గా మీరు రూట్ మ్యాప్ అనేది ఫాలో అయ్యి వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటారు, రైట్. అండ్ దట్ display will be highlighting here as per the Ruby characteristics in the kind of root maps. So first source point ఇది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి రావాలి. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ రీజనల్ ఆప్టిమల్ సెకండ్ మ్యాప్ ఇది ఉంది. సో ఫ్రమ్ దట్ కన్సిడరేషన్ యూ విల్ బి మూవింగ్ ఆన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ ఇక్కడికి రావాలి. సో సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ చాలా ఫార్ అవే ఉంది కాబట్టి and interlinkage of two different points ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి you will be frequently moving on with respect to an interconnection ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి second point and later on to the interaction here with respect to 5 and we will be moving on to 3, 4, 5. Likewise this route maps will be displayed in our mobiles also. So this is next one. What is the cost of the tour? సో ఒక షేర్ ఆటోనే ఉందనుకుందాం. షేర్ ఆటోలో ఒక ఏరియా నుంచి ఇంకో ఏరియాకి వెళ్ళాలంటే కొంత కాస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదండి. ఆ కాస్ట్ వేరియేషన్ కూడా ఎంత ఉంటుంది అండ్ దట్ విల్ బి డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ కాస్ట్ విల్ బి డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ద డిస్టెన్స్. సో డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ద లూప్ ఫార్మేషన్ అండ్ ద లూప్ ఫార్మేషన్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద methodologies or these are the loop generating map or algorithm steps that has to be given to the systemic device. And depending upon that the random search will be taking place. అంటే మనకి ఎన్ని పాసిబుల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్గా డిటెక్ట్ చేసేసి మనకి ఏది తక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏది ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టైం కూడా చూపిస్తుంది. అలా చేయాలి అని అంటే ర్యాండమ్ సెర్చ్ ప్లేస్ మిజరబుల్. వాటన్నిటిలో ఇవన్నీ కూడా అవి సెర్చ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏంది కదండి మనకు చూపించేది. సో దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ expression generation or comparison between one route to the another route is called random search. All right. సో అవి చేసిన తర్వాత కానీ ఆ ర్యాండమ్ సెర్చ్కి మనం ఎంటర్ చేయాల్సిన అల్గారిథంలో మనం ఎంటర్ చేయాల్సిన లూప్ ఇది. ఆల్ రైట్. సో ఆ ర్యాండమ్ రిజల్ట్స్ జనరేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు వచ్చే కన్సిడరేషన్స్ ఆర్ రూట్ మ్యాప్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద రూట్ మ్యాప్స్. సో ఇన్ సచ్ ఏ వే always the mutation will be discussing in the next class as this recap method also existing and what are the necessary optimization and these optimization techniques need to be followed. That we will be looking in the next class. So till now we have been discussed with respect to this only algorithm basis, right? And this mutations recap we will be discussing in the next class. Okay, thank you.